Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike with smartoptiontrading.com. It is Friday, the 22nd of, oops, what did I do here? Of August. This is our weekly recap. It goes out there for free. I'll put a link in the description below if you guys want to join me. So if you're looking at this right now, the VIX completely smashed down, new range low, and the VIX saying, yeah, we're nothing to see here. Everything's fine. Never ran up that much. If you look went on the markets, the SPY here, and we'll zoom back in here to make it easier to see, but the SPY, this week you had this constant down move since last Friday, came down, never quite got down to a 3% pullback, which was down here, and then bounced hard. And then here you are today at a new all-time highs. This becomes useless now. And, the power of the move today was just incredible. Off of Powell, you can see that move came. Here's that first 5-minute candle. Then we levitated up, and we've been sitting there digesting this now for the last couple hours. Not a surprise. The Qs are still lagging a little bit, but nice move back up. We'll see if they can retake momentum next week. We have NVIDIA earnings. That's a big one. The Dow hit a new all-time high. The IWM had a huge igniting candle. We'll see if we can build on this. This puts it back up, not to a 52-week high, but nicely here up into my 235 target. And there's your 245 area as your all-time high. So, some strength coming into this market. Energy has bounced a little bit as Trump continues to play soft with Putin and no sanctions against their oil or anything else has come to play. So you got a little move there. The financials put a new all-time high in the XLF today. Citigroup, okay. Bank of America has been leading. It's breaking out. Wells Fargo, not as much. Goldman, almost back to the all-time highs. JP Morgan lagging. We saw some strength in pharma this week. XBI, J&J put new highs in here. Lilly bouncing off of bad data by Viking Therapeutics, but not quite getting any power yet to keep going. Overall, holding in well. Names like Cat, nice big move today after coming down a bit, almost to the all-time high. Boeing, despite getting maybe 500 orders from China, not doing much but holding in. We saw safety names in play. They've since come back down. And, we traded a wide range of names this week. And there really was a lot to trade and some great stuff. The semis themselves, holding in, not great. Traded NVIDIA a couple times, took some losses on that this week. Has not been the easiest to trade. We'll see what we get on Wednesday, back to the 8-day here. AMD has been all over the place, still underneath the 21-day and the 8-day, so still in the penalty box. Same thing with Avgo. Intel has confirmed they agreed to let the government take a 10% stake. My thought process is simple. Intel is a bad company. Having the government mucking in you is even worse. I don't see how this is good for Intel, but not my problem. I don't own it. I just don't see how this really works out. What else? We had traded that one this week. Tesla, we traded almost every day this week. Nice big candle today, pushing back up, just not trading easily. 340 break. Maybe she can break out back above this downtrend break. Keep an eye on that one. Meta gave a couple nice trades this week, but now back to the 8-day, needs to clear there. Hood gave trade after trade, big move back up on this one, a nice little pop. We'll see if it can break and hold the 8-day. Couldn't hold it today, came back off the highs. Coin with a little soft bounce. Good money today in SoFi, huge bounce off the interest rate. Powell basically saying, softening his stance, more dovish, looking for rate cuts. Open ran with it. Rocket ran with it. RKT ran with it. XHB, the home builders, had a big candle off of that. And then the market woke up. Microsoft not in play today, sitting on the 50-day. Amazon, nice big candle. If this works, we can go back up and retest that 234, still long that. Meta, we talked about. Apple, possible news that they might be going to use Google now for AI and bringing up a new version of Google Gemini on their own servers. And Google had a monster day off of that, pushing up to the 208.54, which is a new all-time high. We caught some nice trades on Google there along the way. What else? That was not the easiest of weeks. The first 4 days were tough. One trade on Monday, didn't, trade a couple times on Tuesday. Wednesday was more aggressive. Yesterday, not aggressive at all. And today was very aggressive and had a great day off of it. So with that said, may not do charts, but I will do a video on Sunday. We'll see where we go from here. Next week, we go into the holiday week. We have a full week next week. Then we have a holiday weekend. Markets will be closed the weekend after on Monday. We have PCE next Friday morning, NVIDIA earnings on Wednesday, and that is going to drive the market here. I hope you all have a great day and a great weekend. Members, if you need to talk, you're having a rough time, please reach out. I don't know unless you do. And let's have a conversation on the side. Catch you guys bright and early on